Okay, evening everyone, this is the solution for day 10. So day 10 is a bit like day 9 really, with this upper channel component. This is like a one slice section of the component that we did yesterday. So a couple ways we could do this. You could actually go into the component yesterday, remove the back half, just use the frontal view, but it's good practice to try and use the same skills over and over again. So we're going to work with some components that are both 250 long with some extra pieces on the outside. So it's just practice for this one. So into my drawing, okay, I'm going to run my X line from 0, 0, get it one vertical, one horizontal, and again, because I haven't clicked straight into my layers when coming through, I'm just going to change them into my construction. First offset, we're going to know is 250. Now you're going to probably look at the component and think, oh hold on a minute, it's 250, 250, and you've done 250 from the X and Y. What I'm going to actually do is do a bit of more manipulation. I'm just going to use the components as I would do them normally on a project. So I'm just going to put 12.5 in. Okay, 12.5. Doesn't have to always be on the X and Y, and obviously that's 25 high. So that's my first component. So what I'm going to do now is just do one offset 12.5, just get the center. Okay, now what I can do on that one is 12.5. This one is also 12.5. Across, second one across, using space to confirm and cancel. Turn off my construction lines. Turn off, trim that one out, trim this one out, enter, back on. Okay, that's that first element done. Now I'm going to do the width profile. So I think keep this 25 away, doesn't need to be massively far away, this one. Profile's 5. Like so, and then that's just basically a rectangle from point to point. When I've seen construction, and turn that to a drawing, and then I can put 2 lines in where the fillets meet the circles. Okay, and nothing to do is put the 10s in. Like so, it's 10, 10. Now we could actually put the hidden dimensions in as well. I need to actually update my template, so I haven't got to keep putting in this hidden component, but it takes a couple of seconds. So I don't always use it on every drawing, so that's why it's not really been built into this template. But so come into hidden. What we're doing now, offset 5. Drawing a line. Okay, change the line type scales, LTS 0.25, worked really well yesterday. Okay, now I can do offset 125, get the center point, mirror that one about that one. That can obviously then sit on that side, so judging by that, it's not slap bang in the centre, which is slightly weird, but I suppose it just goes the other way, isn't it? So that's got to go that side. So, like so, that's that component now in. So it's going to turn my construction lines off, and that's pretty much what you would see on a normal piece. So there's the upper channel, and I can just put a little like text. Well, we can do single line text actually. Single line text just below it. 2.5 angle rotation 0, and just put capitals upper channel like so. Enter twice to confirm. Just make sure you swap that into your dims. So last thing to do would be in your dims, just sort of run it up. So radius on the outside, radius on the middle, run down the linear, like so. It's 5. You might actually want to do for a change the whole length. Okay, and just tweak anything that's in more of a way like that, so it gives a nice upper profile. So that's like the upper channel. Right, so now we're going to do the lower channel. So we're going to do it's the handle. So this is another 250 by 250 component. So I already got 250 run across. So what I'm now going to do is highlight two 250s in my vision. And what we're now going to just use that vision to do the 5. So 5. Just that line. And it'll be this line. And also I'm going to do, I reckon 50, give it a bit of a gap. There, and it's 20. There, so that's got to go, that's got to go, they've got to go to vision layers. Now what I can do is turn off my construction, and I've got my vision set up like so. The inner one is 10. So I'll set another 5, and then that should give me my profiles that I need of. So my drawing. Come around the clips like so, and if I just turn off my vision, you'll probably spot I've made a mistake, so I'm just going to come in, shrink that back, stretch it back like so, and now I've got to just do this little kind of channel, so back on the vision. 25, give it just a kick off the side. 20. And then 10. It was 10 as well, wasn't it? So it's nothing coming on do 10. I can do 5. So that's the both sides done there. Vision off. And now again I can put the text in on the dims, roughly put in the same sort of place. Handle. You're off grid and back on the grid. Like so. And then it's just going to be run to run. And we're going to do out and down right here, in and down which are there, like so. And we know it's symmetrical. So we could put a centre line in point to point, just to say it's symmetrical left and right, like so. And it's 5 and 5 to 275 again. And there's both components. So again, it would be into PDF and save if you want to make a full technical drawing. So that's how you make. And the solution for what we know. What day we are anymore? We are on day 10. There we go. Thanks, guys.